boat or T188 boat is streamlined design, and it has good waterproof. The boat with double power motor and 3-blade propeller. The body includes an antenna, a handle, a battery container, battery power indicator, a master switch, night lights, 2 bait bins. The remote controller can be operated by one hand, using the left load to control the boat, move forward, backward, turn left to right. Using the right load to control the bait bin, and there are 4 colors to choose: yellow, black, green, red. This is the parking box of the RC fishing boat. The parts include the remote control, instructions, antenna, and the hanging rope. This is a charger. It can be connected to the spare battery. Okay, now we are going to operate the fishing boat and install the antenna. You can find the antenna can be folded. First, switch it on. Then, we turn on the battery cover, where we can store the spare battery. A battery has been installed in the fishing boat. If you need a spare battery, you can buy a new one. The standby battery can be put into the battery compartment and connect directly. The left pocket controls the boat go forward and backward. Make the boat speed up, turn left, turn right, and backward. Throughout the bait. Press the button to left. The left motor accelerates and the right motor slows down. Press the button to right. The right motor accelerates and the left motor slows down. The motor will speed up when you press the button. Driving in a straight line when the speed of the 2 motors is the same. When you find that the speed of the motors is different, or the boat doesn't drive in a straight line, you can do the test according to this method.